If your Reolink camera won't connect to Wi-Fi, the problem is usually related to incorrect network settings, weak signal strength, or outdated firmware. Most Reolink cameras rely on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network because it provides better range and stability for smart security devices. When the camera can't find or join your network, it may be due to a wrong password, router interference, or the device not being in pairing mode. Fortunately, you can usually restore the connection in just a few minutes by checking your Wi-Fi settings and reconnecting the camera through the Reolink app. Step 1. Make sure your router has 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi enabled, since many cameras don't support 5 GHz. Step 2. Restart the router and the camera by unplugging them for about 30 seconds. Step 3. Open the Reolink app, tap Add Device, and enter the correct Wi-Fi name and password. Step 4. Put the camera into pairing mode until the LED starts flashing. Step 5. If the connection still fails, press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds and set up the camera again.